Smartlace Light is our newest collection of light hair density and lightweight cap wigs. Because of its cap construction that features a lace front that extends from ear to ear and polyurethane ear tabs, there are more options to use adhesive for those wanting to make sure your wig always stays in place. It's important, however, to know which type of tape is correct for each material and how to correctly apply it. Let me show you how I do it. As always, I use Lace Let Go and a cotton swab to gently clean areas where the adhesive will be applied. In this case, it's the lace front and polyurethane tabs. For the lace front area, I'll use lace front adhesive, which is the blue liner. I simply cut the tape to a small size, then gently apply the backing to the lace front. Once the tape has been positioned, I remove the blue tabs to expose the underside of the adhesive. For the ear tabs, I'll use white or red liner adhesive that is exclusive for polyurethane materials. Once the adhesive is secure, I gently place my wig on, but do not press down until the wig is placed where I would like it to be. So I take a final look to make sure my wig is placed correctly, and then gently press down on the areas where the adhesive has been applied to secure. To remove, I spray 2 to 3 pumps of Lace Let Go on a cotton swab. Then gently lift the corner of my wig and apply the cotton swab underneath. Rotate the swab back and forth to release the adhesive. And repeat this step as many times as necessary before removing my wig. To clean my wig before storing, I simply use a paper towel and spray 3 to 5 pumps of Lace Let Go to clean the area where the adhesive was applied. Until next time!